Hey guys, so my buddy Adam welded one of these for me and he said to try it out for a mock scrape. So I put this in here and he said cut down an oak branch. So I've got an oak branch right here that I used this pole saw to get down. It's a perfect diameter. And I'm gonna put that oak branch in here as a licking, kind of a licking branch, and make a mock scrape right here. I've got this little food plot. There's a water hole right there. And we're gonna kind of see how bucks react to it and see if we can't get a mock scrape started here where they start frequenting. So that's the plan. Figured I'd kind of show this process and then eventually I'll put a trail camera over it and we'll see if anything's actually using it. There we go. It's a good height kind of right there. So I want to make that mock scrape kind of right in here, which means I'd say this is a good spot for that branch. And they'll eventually nip some of this stuff off. But once I like it, I'll screw this down. I naturally made this so it's gonna go through that and right into this knot in the tree, which is gonna just give it a little extra security. Now from here I'm gonna use a rake and really rough up this mock scrape underneath it. I'm trying to visualize the height. You know, I think that's gonna be good, and they're eventually gonna nab off some of these leaves. I think that's gonna be good. And I'm also gonna tie a piece of rope from this too, so they can kind of hit that rope too. Play with that, hit some scent on it. So there we got it. They can mess with that, get some scent on that rope, hopefully. And I'm gonna be sitting right up there is where I'm gonna make my stand at. I just hung that, hence why I'm wearing the saddle. So now what I gotta do is I gotta cut some lanes here. I gotta get rid of some of these. And I talked about this pole saw earlier. This thing's super convenient. It extends to 21 feet telescoping, and it is sharp as heck. Yeah, I better get one more. All right. We will see what happens here on the trail cam in the next bit. Trail cam's gonna be right here. This trail camera, I have it facing towards the tree right now, but I'm gonna put that on video mode. It's a Magic Eagle trail cam, I think is the name brand. They sent it to me to check out, so I'll put the links in the description to that, along with this pole saw. 21 feet, perfect for cutting limbs, doing any type of trimming up, hunting related stuff. Very lightweight, but still durable. Folds up super nice. And there's that saw right there. So like I said, I'll put this in the description too. Yeah, we'll see how things work out, hopefully I'll be back here hunting in a few weeks, and there'll be some bucks hitting that mock scrape. I'm gonna go trim a couple more branches and shooting lanes with this, but otherwise should be good to go. I'm gonna take a piss right in that mock scrape and get the heck out of here. All right, we'll see what it captures. I like it.